How to fix Crusaders Quest Hero Town crashing on Steam. First, you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties. Now from installed files tab, you want to verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you want to go to the general tab and add -dx11 to the launch options. Now you can close Steam and open up a new browser tab where you want to search for Redist. And then open up the first link, and from here you want to scroll down to this table, and you'll need to download and install the 86 and the 64 installers of redistributables. Now when you finish the installation, it will likely ask you to restart your computer, and right after the restart you will need to also check if you have the latest graphic card driver update. So for NVIDIA, you can use NVIDIA app, or if you have AMD card, you can use the AMD software, where you can go to drivers and check for the latest updates and install them. Next, you want to open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. This should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.